Hey everybody, good morning, Robb Moffett. Guys, we've got another fun video this morning. Made a few of these miniature pressure cooker videos and people seem to like them. So today we're making one of my specialties. It's just plain old chicken and rice. The cool thing about it, it's going to be made super quick. We're using 3/4 cups of parboiled rice that has already been rinsed a couple of times. And we want to make sure we get any dust and dirt off and any extra starch just laying around. It's going to be, did I knock the camera over? It's going to be 1.5 cups of water because we're making double the amount of rice. We're going to be adding just a tablespoon of butter, or you can use any oil you like, olive oil, coconut oil, whatever you prefer. And I didn't saute these ingredients. You get a better flavor if you do, but since this was a super quick recipe, I thought we would continue to make it super quick and not add any longer preparation time. This is 1 stalk of celery, 1/2 of a medium onion, and 1 clove of garlic. Whenever I add garlic, I like to add the parsley. You want to be careful with the pressure cooker. If you add anything that's small, like a grain, to plug up the hole. We're adding some chicken. This is a pretty decent brand. It's from, it's not Costco, I think it's from Sam's Club. Now, these 2 ingredients are controversial among some people. Salad olives, mira. Yeah, a few raisins. I said raisins. Martha, come in here. There's a fella adding raisins to rice. Tell you what, YouTube is going to pieces. All right, we're going to add the main ingredient because we want this rice to be yellow. We just want to add a little tiny bit for color, not for taste. That's good enough. And you know what? Believe it or not, boys and girls, get in there. Turn on Mr. Kilowatt. Once it starts spittering and sputtering, we're going to have it on high and let it go on high for 60 seconds and then turn off everything. This works on a electric stove. I'm not sure how well it would work on a gas stove or another type of stove, but on my electric stove, once it starts sputtering for 60 seconds, I turn it off and come back in like 20 minutes, half an hour, and it's wonderful. We'll pause for station identification.
Excuse me.
Yes?
Excuse me. What's new in cat food?
Today's your lucky day. We just got in these new Puss in Boots flavor packs. The latest thing in dry cat food. Flavor packs come 8 to a box, and every pack's a measured meal. So every time you eat, you get everything you need, all your vitamins. It's a complete diet in just the right amount.
Very convenient. But why do they call them flavor packs?
Each meal is sealed. They taste great because the flavor can't escape. Here.
You know, that's great. I'll take it. A tasty, dry cat food. That's what I've been looking for.
Every cat comes in here switching to flavor packs. Well, after all, who knows more about cats than Puss in... Listen, Buster, man to man. Yeah? You smoke a right-hand cigar?
Man to man, smoke a right-hand. Man to man, smoke a right-hand cigar. Man.
Okay, it's been about 18 minutes since we turned the heat off. Let's see if we have any pressure left. Nope, we're good to go. Oh yeah. This was parboiled rice, and it had been rinsed, so it's not sticky and all clumped together. It's kind of separate. Let's put this in a little ramekin. Make a little presentation. If you don't like raisins and olives, there's something wrong with you. No, you don't have to. It's not the main ingredient. The main ingredient is obviously the rice and the turmeric for the color, with chicken and a little oil. Let's see if we can. This is a little more moist than it usually is. I may have added a tad more water than I needed, or a tad less rice, but I thought it was 2/3. It could have been less than 2/3. Okay, and what can we do with this? Let's put some broccoli. Of course, there's probably a lot of people that don't like broccoli, but which is perfectly fine. Not that there's anything wrong with that. Yeah. I have not made this chicken and rice before. I usually make the tuna and rice, but less people like tuna than they do chicken. Well, this is not my best presentation or recipe, but obviously it could have used more olives and raisins. But let's stop yapping for a second, see how it tastes. Oh. The rice was done, but it's not yellow enough. I should have added more turmeric. You could add some chopped walnut or something to give it a different flavor texture, because everything's kind of soft. You know what it needs? It needs a little bit of soy sauce, doesn't it? Okay, I think this will be better. So guys, you may not like this recipe, or you may like it, but the main thing is to see how quickly you can cook a meal in the tiny little miniature pressure cooker, and fairly inexpensive ingredients too. Alright guys, hope this was helpful to you. Take care. See you out there.